Okay, so finally decided gonna get rid of this fireplace, try to create another room. This whole wall is gonna go away. We got some more floor exposure here because I think that joist is gonna be replaced. And back here is where the exciting stuff is going on. They took down all these walls and the floor, and all, like, look at this, is like so eroded, this piece of wood. All of this is going to be rebuilt and leveled. It's kind of crazy to see it. I actually think some of that supporting wood back there at the very bottom is eroded and needs to be replaced. Very exciting. Starting to come together. I guess. It's falling apart before it comes together. Update you soon.